called him near. He tried to stop the flow but couldn't hold it dear. The river's beauty captured your eyes. It quenches thirst if you trust its might. Let it go, let it flow. Every second new water show. Like the air, it gives us life, but no one can change its tide. So river runs with a different face. No hand can trap its endless